Hello and good afternoon, welcome to your Let's Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here, bringing you a quick video presentation of this stunning 4 Series Grand Coupe we have in. This is the 435 Diesel X-Drive M Sport. We've made some cosmetic enhancements as usual, fitted some 20-inch wheels. I'll take you for a walk around, show you the spec and the condition as best as I can to help you make an informed buying decision. 3-litre twin-turbo vehicle, 313 brake, 8-speed automatic paddle shift. And it's also 4-wheel drive. Got some lovely factory options. Let's take you for a short walk around. LED headlights, gloss M Performance styling pack. We have the 20-inch bicolor wheels, M Sport Plus pack with the blue M Performance brakes. Privacy glass, this one has head-up display, which I'll show you when we're inside. Gloss black sidebars, rear spoiler, rear diffuser, in gloss black also. Heaps of boot room, split folding rear seats and original set of mats, automatic boot. This also has comfort access, so you can walk towards the car, it'll unlock itself. Reversing camera on this vehicle as well. Very tidy vehicle. I'm sure you'll have noticed the lovely contrasting leather. This has coral red Dakota leather. Let's take a look inside. Rear seats, Isofix rear bench, 3 seat belts, electric folding mirrors. As part of the M Plus pack, we have the Harman Kardon sound system. I'll just stop the gonging. Electric memory driver's seat with lumbar support. Again, really clean, no rips or tears. Piano black dash trim. Lovely professional widescreen navigation system. 43,000 miles. We have the cruise control, multifunction steering as well. Extended storage pack, a few more cubby holes. Service wise, we have BMW services, pre-delivery at 6 and then all the way up to 37. The car's now on 43. Oil changes doing 2,400 miles, which falls within our remit. We will be carrying an oil service out and it will be logged on the iDrive. The car will be professionally serviced by our trained technicians, BMW mechanic, in our workshop. All the handbooks and a very well presented spec car. Physically in stock, ready to drive away. PCP and HP available. Full stock inventory on our website. We have over 120 BMWs in stock. We're a family business, pride ourselves on great customer service, so please get in touch. Thank you very much for watching, and you can apply for finance on our website. Keep safe. Thank you.